Hello students, I hope you remember me. We will be doing science and let us see what you have in this topic. The name is on the board, light, right? So let's have the impact of light in our life. You can see here we have got a candle and this candle is able to give us light. In this room there is a tube light. That tube light is giving light and that's why both of us are able to see each other. Suppose we switch off this light. Can we switch off this tube light for a minute? Hello? Yes. Can you see me now? I am present here. The videographer is present here. Your whiteboard is here. But we are not able to see each other. And this is basically due to absence of light. As there is no light in the room, we are not able to see each other. Now let me have some light. Using this matchstick, matchbox, I have lighted this candle. Correct? You can see some amount of light now. We can also have light from different sources. I have got now we can switch on light. I have got a torch in my hand and this torch when switched on is able to give light. You must have seen train, the engine of the train, it has got a big powerful focus and with the help of that focus the engine driver is able to see the track in front of him. Also the two-wheelers, your motorcycles, scooters, car, all are having light so that they can work in the night. Some lights are very powerful, especially nowadays when we have this electricity, we can generate lot of light and we can even make a very dark night into a day. So much light is we are able to produce. You can see here in the beginning we used to use candles, diyas. I have got a candle here. Now if you see this light, torch light, if I focus this light is focused on the board straight. It depends in the direction in which I am holding the torch. If I am holding it straight, the light is visible here on the board. If I move it little bit up, the light also moves up. If I move it down, it comes down. What does it show? We can easily see that the light with the impact of light that is exactly in front of the torch. Can we say that this light is traveling in a straight line? Let's do one activity to find out the light travels in a straight line or it moves in zigzag manner. Suppose you have got water. You know that water we can take from one place to another place using a pipe. When we use pipe, what happens? The water from the water tap comes down, again moves up and then moving in the different direction, finally it reaches the end point. Can we have light in the same way? Suppose I take a tube, a circular tube. I have made a tube here using this paper tube. You can use a pipe also. Now using this tube, if I see this candle, I am able to see this candle. Okay, I will show you also from camera side. Can photographer, videographer help me? See if this is visible. I am holding this. Can you see the flame? Yes, you are able to see. What does it mean? The flame which was here, the light from this candle, you are able to see straight. Suppose I bend this slightly, we bend this, okay, and then again I keep in front of this. Do you think you will be able to see? You will not be able to see the light. Okay, you can use a plastic pipe. Maybe this paper one is little bit getting folded. If you use a plastic pipe and bend it, you will find that you are not able to see. Okay, this is a very good example by which we can prove we can say. So, you have seen with the help of this activity, which activity? Using candle light and a pipe. When we have a straight pipe, we are able to see light. When we have a bent pipe, when it is bent from one side, in from center, from middle, we find that we are not able to see the light. Okay. Now, I have shown you one more thing. With the help of torch, we find that the torch light is focused straight on the board in a straight line. In a straight line. If I keep something in between this, you will find that, see, there is obstruction. There is obstruction. This is getting obstructed. अगर किसी चीज़ को टेढ़ा जाना होता तो ये लाइट इस पेपर के ऊपर से, इस डिस्टर्बेंस के ऊपर से ऐसे घूम कर फिर जा सकती थी, लेकिन ये लाइट इस तरह से नहीं जा सकती है. That's why you must have seen when you are watching a program on television or maybe on stage, if a tall person comes in front of you, then you are not able to see the stage because that eyesight gets disturbed, right? So, this is very good example. Let us talk about reflection of light now. Okay. This was about light travels along a straight line. This we have shown with the help of activity. You should remember this activity, how you have the candle, when you are holding a pipe, hollow pipe, and trying to see from here, you find that you are able to see this candle light. Okay. Reflection of light, we know that, suppose take this example, this candle is burning. I have got this candle here. Let me take this candle close to this board. Are you able to see the reflection of this candle on the board? See, somewhere there, isn't it? This is called reflection. If I hold this candle in this, you will find the reflection in the water. Are you able to see both the candle flame on the top and also inside the water? This is called reflection. Reflection can take place in any shiny surface. Okay. If I have a plate here, a stainless steel plate, and hold it here, you will find that in this also there is reflection. Okay. You will find that there is reflection in this also. It is not a mirror, but there is reflection. So, reflection can take place on any shiny surface. This is a shiny surface, चमकदार कोई भी सतह हो उस पर रिफ्लेक्शन हो सकता है. ये स्टील की प्लेट चमकदार है, आपका व्हाइट बोर्ड चमकदार है. You have got water here, in that also reflection is there. But if you want proper reflection, complete reflection, then we need something which is called a mirror. ये है आपका मिरर. इसके बिना जो है आपकी दिन की शुरुआत नहीं होती है. जब आप स्कूल आते हो, स्कूल जाते हो, तैयार होते. So, we have seen different sources where reflection is possible, and at present you can see reflection in this mirror. This is perfect one, correct? So, reflection is possible on any shiny surface. कोई भी चमकदार surface हो वहाँ reflection होता है, possible है. It can be a plain board, it can be water, and it can be a mirror like this. Mirror कैसे बनता है, कैसे बनाया जाता है, we will talk about this afterwards. I have got one more type of mirror here. I hope you remember this. आपके मोटरसाइकिल में, स्कूटर में, एक्टिवा में ये लगा होता है. ठीक है, इसके बारे में और बात करेंगे. Now talking about this reflection of light, let's do one activity in which we'll see that how the light gets reflected. For this I have to switch off tube light once again. Just pause it. Once again it's complete dark now. You are not able to see me. Now I will use a torch and try to get its reflection. I am using this torch. The torch I am pointing towards this plate which is having water, and you will be able to see its reflection on the wall. So I will request the videographer to show the reflection on the wall. क्या देख रहे हैं आप? I am pointing the torch from my left, but the reflection on the wall is on the right. Correct? Let's have one more style of reflection. This time I will be using this plane mirror. Mirrors are of different type. Mirrors are of different type. So we will be using this plane mirror. Now you can see this mirror. I hope you are able to see. और इस मिरर का रिफ्लेक्शन देखिए कहाँ है. वहाँ दीवार पे दिखाएं जरा रिफ्लेक्शन आपके पीछे. अब इधर घूम रहा है, पीछे पीछे. ये रिफ्लेक्शन है. अब मेरी तरफ दिखाएं इधर. ये टॉर्च, ये मिरर और ये इसका रिफ्लेक्शन. वी कैन डू वन मोर एक्टिविटी इन दिस. वी कैन डू वन मोर एक्टिविटी. सपोज वी हैव गॉट ए टॉर्च इन विच वी हैव गॉट स्लिट्स. ये इस तरह से टॉर्च है. इसमें हमने कागज़ से कवर कर दिया है और 3 स्लिट्स बना दिए हैं हल्के से इसको काट कर. इसको जब हम रिफ्लेक्शन इसका ऑब्टेन करते हैं, वंस अगेन यू विल फाइंड दैट द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ दिस इज इन द अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. इट इज इन द अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. The torch is on my side and the reflection is on the photographer side. Okay? ये आपका टॉर्च है, ये मिरर है और ये इसका रिफ्लेक्शन है इस तरफ. ठीक है, अब मैं इसको बंद करता हूँ. नाउ यू सी टॉर्च, मिरर and its reflection. So we see here, pause. Okay, now let's do one more activity. Once again we have got our candle and I will be using this mirror. Okay, this mirror. I will keep this mirror here. Now what do you see? You can see this candle. We have got this mirror and there is one more candle inside this. I hope you are able to see. एक कैंडल इसके पीछे है मिरर के. सपोज आई वांट टू टेक द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ दिस. वो पीछे वाला कैंडल जो आपको मिरर के अंदर दिख रहा है, अगर मैं ये सोचूं कि ये मिरर के पीछे है और मैं कागज़ पे प्रयास करता हूँ कि देखूँ कहाँ पर है, आफ्टर ऑल द एफर्ट ऑल्सो I find that the mirror is missing. The candle inside the mirror is missing. इसका मतलब ये हुआ that the candle which is inside this mirror, that is the image. Here we call this candle as object, this is object, and that candle which is inside, that is called image. अब image की एक और quality हम देखें. The candle is burning and we can see the flame upright. ऊपर की तरफ इसका flame है. जो कैंडल अंदर है उसकी फ्लेम कहाँ है? उसकी फ्लेम भी ऊपर है. So such images which are in this form, which looks same what we have here and the same thing we have on the in the mirror also, such images are called as erect images. E-R-E-C-T, erect. तो कैंडल और उसकी इमेज जो है आपके सामने है, and such image is called erect image. Please note this. One more thing you can try here. Try to find out the distance of this candle from the image. क्या लगता है आपको, बराबर की दूरी पे है या इनकी दूरी अलग अलग है? Yes. If I take this mirror away, what do you find? Do you find image also moving far? इसकी दूरी के बारे में क्या कहें? अगर मैं बिल्कुल नज़दीक रखूं, what do you find? We find that the distance of the object from the plane mirror is same as distance of the image from the plane mirror. Okay? So this is an activity to show that a plane mirror gives us erect image. A plane mirror gives us erect image. Please note this. We will do one more activity. So we tried different ways, different activities by which we saw that light travels along a straight line. Then we saw that light gets reflected from a shiny surface. It can be a plain board, it can be some stainless steel object, or it can be a plane mirror. In the next video, we will see some more activities and try to learn more about light. I hope you enjoyed it. You have to do all these activities yourself in the presence of your parents. जब भी आप आँख का काम करें तो पेरेंट्स के प्रेजेंस में करें. And try to find out some more interesting ways by which you can prove all this. Thank you. See you in the next video.